From the crushing depths of the Aegean Sea, a relic emerged, encrusted with centuries of marine growth. It was a lump of corroded bronze, seemingly unremarkable, yet destined to rewrite the very annals of human ingenuity. This artifact, salvaged from a forgotten shipwreck, defied every conventional understanding of ancient technological prowess. It was not merely a curiosity, it was an intricate astronomical calculator, a device so complex it seemed to belong to another age entirely. Its very existence challenged the linear progression of human innovation, whispering of lost knowledge and forgotten brilliance. This was the Antikythera Mechanism, a name now synonymous with an impossible truth. The year was 1902 when Greek archaeologist Valerios Stais first examined the strange bronze fragments. Amidst a trove of statues and pottery, this calcified mass was initially dismissed, its true nature obscured by time and corrosion. It lay for years, an enigma overlooked, its secrets locked within its petrified form. But then, a closer inspection revealed something astonishing. Intricate, precise gears, meticulously crafted and arranged. This was no ordinary artifact. It was a machine of unparalleled sophistication, suggesting that the history we thought we knew was profoundly, fundamentally wrong. The world was about to confront a technological marvel that should not have existed. The story of the mechanism begins not in a workshop, but beneath the waves. Around 60 BCE, a merchant ship, laden with treasures and everyday goods, sailed the treacherous Mediterranean. Among its precious cargo, nestled perhaps for transport or display, was the device that would one day astound the modern world. This vessel, a silent witness to an ancient journey, met its fate off the rugged coast of the Greek island of Antikythera. It sank, plunging into the cold embrace of the deep, its secrets preserved by the very ocean that claimed it. For nearly 18 centuries, it lay undisturbed, a time capsule awaiting discovery. Then, in 1900, sponge divers stumbled upon the wreck, an accidental revelation that would spark a revolution. Their discovery led to the first systematic underwater archaeological excavation in history, a pioneering effort to reclaim the past from the ocean's grasp. From the darkness, the impossible machine began its slow ascent. Decades passed before technology caught up with the mechanism's complexity. Modern scanning techniques, like X-ray tomography, finally pierced through the layers of corrosion, revealing its astonishing internal structure. What emerged was a breathtaking sight. 69 hand-carved gears, each a testament to ancient precision. These gears were not random. They were meticulously arranged, forming a sophisticated clockwork system designed to predict celestial movements with uncanny accuracy. It was a miniature cosmos, a mechanical oracle capable of charting the heavens. The front dials of the device displayed the zodiac, the Egyptian calendar, and the precise phases of the moon. But its capabilities extended far beyond simple calendrical functions. The back dials were engineered to forecast eclipses, both solar and lunar, utilizing the intricate Saros cycle. This was a level of astronomical prediction previously thought impossible for the ancient world, a testament to profound scientific understanding. The Antikythera mechanism was, without hyperbole, the world's first known analog computer. Its existence shattered the prevailing narrative of technological development, pushing back the timeline of complex machinery by over a millennium. It predated similar technologies, such as mechanical clocks, by an astonishing 1,200 years. The engineering marvel of the mechanism is almost incomprehensible. Its gear teeth, some measuring a mere 1 millimeter, demonstrate an astonishing precision that rivals modern watchmaking. This level of microengineering speaks to a mastery of tools and techniques thought to be centuries away. Even more remarkable was the material science involved. The mechanism utilized a specific bronze alloy, carefully chosen to reduce friction and ensure smooth operation. This advanced metallurgical knowledge, seemingly lost to time, would not be rediscovered until the dawn of the Industrial Revolution. The Antikythera Mechanism suggested a lost mastery of engineering and craftsmanship, a golden age of innovation that vanished from historical record. It implied a technological sophistication that simply did not fit into our understanding of the ancient world. How could such knowledge disappear? Yet, whispers of such devices existed in ancient texts. Historical accounts, like those by Cicero, hinted at similar advanced machines crafted by legendary figures such as Archimedes and Posidonius. These were not mere philosophical musings, but descriptions of tangible working models of the cosmos. These tantalizing clues imply a lost lineage of sophisticated ancient machines, a hidden chapter in human technological history. The Antikythera Mechanism might not have been unique, but rather a rare survivor of a forgotten era of mechanical brilliance. What other wonders lie buried, waiting to be found? The origins of the Antikythera Mechanism are shrouded in mystery, yet compelling evidence points to a connection with Archimedes, the brilliant mathematician and inventor of Syracuse. His genius, known for its theoretical depth, may have also extended to practical, complex engineering. The device embodies the spirit of his innovative mind. Its creation likely combined the theoretical knowledge of astronomers like Hipparchus, whose lunar theory is evident in the mechanism's calculations, with the practical metalworking skills of Corinthian craftsmen. This fusion of scientific theory and artisanal expertise produced an unparalleled instrument. The mechanism's calibration date, meticulously encoded within its gears, points to the winter solstice of 178 BCE. This precise starting point suggests a deliberate and highly accurate design, intended for long-term astronomical prediction. It was a machine built for the ages. Its intended destination was likely Rome, a city then rising to imperial power. Such a device would have been an invaluable tool for astronomical observation, but also a potent symbol of intellectual prowess and technological might. It was a statement of advanced civilization, a display of power through knowledge. The Antikythera Mechanism profoundly challenges the linear narrative of technological advancement, the comforting idea that progress is a steady, unbroken climb. Instead, it suggests a more cyclical view, where knowledge can be gained, lost, and then painstakingly rediscovered across millennia. It reminds us that civilizations rise and fall, and with them, their accumulated wisdom and technological prowess can vanish. The mechanism is a stark testament to the fragility of knowledge, a warning that even the most profound achievements can be swallowed by the tides of history. The inscriptions found on the mechanism, though fragmented, point to a network of thinkers and artisans across the ancient world collaborating on its design and construction. It was not the work of a single isolated genius, but a culmination of collective ancient intelligence. This was a shared endeavor, a testament to intellectual exchange. This extraordinary artifact raises a chilling possibility that other similar devices, perhaps even more advanced, were intentionally hidden or simply lost to time. The Antikythera Mechanism serves as a powerful, haunting reminder that history is not a simple progression, but a complex, often tragic cycle of brilliance and ruin. Its secrets continue to unfold, beckoning us to question everything we thought we knew.